Let's talk about the difference between void and voidable marriage. Now, whenever there is a divorce petition by any spouse before the court, such divorce may be sought on the ground that the marriage is void, and it can also be sought on the ground that the marriage is voidable. So you need to understand the difference between the two. Welcome to my channel. This is Lot of and Gist. If you're tuning in for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Please do well to like, share, and click on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there is an upload coming from me. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Thank you so much for always tuning in. Let's dive into the video. There is void marriage and there is voidable marriage. So the court can grant a petition for divorce on the ground that that marriage is void, and it can also grant the petition on the ground that the marriage is voidable. So in every petition for divorce, it must indicate whether the divorce is sought on the ground that it is void or it is voidable. Let me explain what a void marriage is. When a court declares a marriage void, it means in the eyes of the law, you people were never married. You were joking. It means you two never acquired the status of husband and wife. So whatever you were doing, you were just fooling yourselves. So that is when the law declares a marriage void. So a marriage can be annulled on the ground that it was void. All this while, you people were just joking. Voidable, on the other hand, simply means that there was marriage. You acquired the status of husband and wife. You did everything, all the formalities, everything that you needed to do, observe for you to be called husband and wife under the act. You did. But there is a little defect. There is something. Maybe one party was fooled. Maybe one party did not reveal a certain fact that he or she was supposed to reveal. Yes, you did everything right, but there is a little defect. There is this thing that you concealed. There is a fact you concealed. There is something you did not reveal, which you were supposed to reveal to your spouse. So if that other spouse brings a petition for divorce before the court, that marriage can be set aside on the ground that you concealed a certain fact, or there was a little defect caused by you, the other party, which this other party is no longer comfortable with. So that is voidable. So understand one thing, that in the case of a void marriage, a formal court degree need not be obtained because already there was no marriage. So going through all this process to get a declaration and all of that is not necessary. There was never a marriage. Where, however, a degree of nullity is granted, it is just merely a declaration of an existing fact that there has never been a marriage. I hope you understand this. Void simply means that in the eyes of the law, there was no marriage. Whatever you did, you didn't do right. So you missed it. Even if you stayed for 10 years with the other party, there was no marriage. You did not acquire the status of husband and wife. Well, voidable marriage, there was marriage, you did everything right, but there is a little defect, and the court is now setting the marriage aside on that ground. I hope this video helps you. In our next video, we are going to talk about the things that would make a marriage void and the things that would make a marriage voidable. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.